Hello everyone, let me introduce you to DN Solutions' revolutionary new product, the DNX 2100S, a high-performance turn-mill multitasking machine. Compared to conventional Y-axis turning centers, the DNX 2100S is a much more versatile machine. It is equipped with an ATC magazine that can store up to 16 tools, turning and milling operations in complex shape machining using the C and B axis rotary axis, and enabling automated production of various types of low-volume products without additional jigs. The DNX 2100S features an 8 and 10-inch chuck with a 1,100 millimeter machining length, compact footprint that makes it easy to replace existing machines, and improves spindle and magazine accessibility for frequent setups as production demands. It also features an automation-friendly design that is easy to install with bar feeders, robotic automation, etc. Now, let's take a look at some of the things about the DNX 2100S that makes it such an incredible improvement in productivity, efficiency, convenience, and compatibility. First, high rigidity roller bearings are applied to the spindle to increase rigidity in all directions. Productivity is improved by applying a high output spindle motor. The carriage LMG span has been designed with a wider, more precise frame structure, improving rigidity and precision. Additionally, the Y-axis stroke has been increased while minimizing the milling spindle protrusion distance, and the accuracy of positioning has been improved due to the standard use of the X-axis linear scale. The spindle clamp of the milling spindle is equipped with a curvic coupling, which increases clamping torque by 6 times compared to other companies, greatly improves the repeatability accuracy of the tool. With an output of up to 18.5 kilowatts, it has greatly increased productivity. The B-axis, with a clamp torque of 8,400 newton meters, and a clamp of 10 thousandths of a degree, is driven by a roller gear can and a servo motor to enable high precision machining. Additionally, the IKC measurement program that compensates for rotary axis position error and DN Solutions spindle speed variation that prevents chatter come standard. If you insert a drill into the tailstock instead of the center, the drilling function becomes possible. It also gives you operable outside diameter machining capability simultaneously with drilling, which increases productivity. The steady rest parking function provides a world-class right spindle approach distance of -9 millimeters. The steady rest is installed vertically, parallel to the X-axis, and is designed for intuitive adjustment and precision. Additionally, the servo motor-driven travel axis allows for fast and precise independent control. Machining can also be done while the steady rest is parked, eliminating steady rest mounting and dismounting time, and reducing production downtime. The new toolset of the DNX 2100S enables measurement in vertical and horizontal directions, reducing measurement cycle times and improving precision. The laser measuring device enables fast and accurate diameter and length measurements on rotary tools. The BK9 measuring device detects and provides feedback on the presence or absence of breakage on tools returned after machining to prevent product defects and collisions. The new parts catcher has a design that does not protrude from the front of the machine. This greatly improves the operator's comfort by enabling the ejection of parts of various sizes without obstructing the working path. We have also improved the speed of linear axis movement by applying a servo motor. Additionally, the control panel can command the bucket protrusion distance to change. The aluminum bucket reduces the occurrence of scratches on the workpiece and eliminates deformation due to coolant. ATC supports up to 60 tools with a maximum tool size 300 millimeters in length. The magazine is accessible from the front of the machine, and applying a servo motor improves tool change speed and reliability. The DNX 2100S comes standard with a 7-inch ATC magazine screen that allows you to check the port number, tool number to change the mount tools without having to go to the control panel, greatly improving convenience. In the event of an ATC issue, The ATC recovery function allows for recovery in just one step. In addition, the chuck position check function allows the chuck position to be adjusted from the control panel, alleviating the inconvenience of opening the cover to make adjustments. Most importantly, if you are considering automation installation, we strongly recommend the DNX 2100S. Its tool magazine structure without protrusion front and integrated parts catcher allows for more space to accommodate automation equipment. With the servo auto door, you will experience incredible automation like never before, with speed and convenience. This has been an excellent overview of the DNX 2100S from DN Solutions. Thank you.